In a vast meadow bloomed with vibrant wildflowers, there lived a colony of hardworking bees. Among them was Queen Bumblebee, the eldest and wisest of all. She ruled with kindness, guiding her subjects in their daily tasks. However, there was a young bee named Buzzy who felt unfulfilled. He yearned for a more exciting life, distant from the monotony of gathering nectar and pollen. One day, Buzzy met a strange visitor, a wasp named Whiz. Whiz boasted about his solitary life, free from the rules and responsibilities of the colony. Intrigued, Buzzy asked, "Whiz, your life seems so exciting. Why do you not join the colony?" Whiz responded, "I am the master of my own destiny, not bound by the rules of the hive. I fly wherever I please and do as I wish." Buzzy was captivated. He envisioned a life of freedom and adventure, far from the mundane tasks of the bee colony. Leaving his home without a word, Buzzy joined Whiz. But he soon realized that the life of a solitary creature was not what he had imagined. Without the structure and support of the colony, Buzzy struggled to find food, shelter, and protection. He missed the warmth of the hive and the comfort of knowing his role in the community. In the end, Buzzy returned to the colony, humbled by his experience. He thanked Queen Bumblebee for teaching him the value of community and the importance of working together for the greater good. From that day forward, Buzzy worked diligently, cherishing his role as a bee and understanding that unity and cooperation were the keys to a thriving and harmonious life. Moral asterisk: in every community, there is strength in unity and cooperation. By working together, we can create a harmonious and thriving society.